Hey, boss.
What's up, Uganda?
Welcome to Uganda.
Let's go there. Let's go to the live.
Where's
1 minute. It's only 1 minute. Live. Just give them the problem. No, live. No,
It feels great. It feels great. First, I would like to apologize on behalf of my HS.
that's
I need to apologize. These are my people.
I apologize once again.
This is first time in Uganda.
Oh, I see. It's no problem. I understand, man. You have to be safe. If you feel something.
Well, I'm safe. These are my people. I'm safe.
Yes,
so, relax. So, thank you, Uganda, for accepting me this time around. It means a lot to me to be back again here. And obviously, I'm looking forward to making it bigger and better than the last time I was here.
Yes, man. I know you had a long flight, so I'm just gonna let you go into it. But you know, you have such a hit song here. Hit songs everywhere. Kizz Daniel, I feel like you're very humble, but yet so successful as an artist. What makes you take that kind of direction in terms of, you know, everyone is fighting each other, right, in the industries, and I'm not gonna put you into it. But you're always usually a very humble artist with big songs. How do you come up to be someone like that?
I don't know. I think it's just me. It's talent. That's just me.
It's talent.
Thank you.
Tomorrow night.
Okay.
What should people expect?
Expect greatness. Okay, I can't wait to see everybody.
One
love and one Africa.
Yes, man. What do you write that?
Which me with this?
You can't interview me.
What do you think?
I can't wait to see everybody.
I
One
see.
love and one Africa.
Yes, man.
Let him sit in the car.
Get that.
One minute.
I know it's going to be a hit song. Yeah. How big? I don't know. So that just definitely surprised me. You know, actually, I wanted to put out this song before my concert at the Olympics in London. Something to get the fans excited. And then I never even had much to shoot a video for the song. But then it became another game. Yeah. So I had to shoot it here. Another video for it, pardon my French.
All right. Teaming up with Techno, how did that happen?
Same old, with friends, with brothers. You know, we send each other songs. Like, listen to my next song. Yeah. What do you think about this record? Yeah. So I sent you guys some, you sent me a couple of songs to
Salongo, yeah. Exactly that. Salongo, done. So yeah, you're always welcome. It's been amazing. DJ Chi as well. You know, always working tirelessly to make sure things are 100. So yeah, we're looking forward to an amazing experience. So you guys make sure you come out, man. Keep buying those tickets until the day. You know what I mean? Until the last hour. Gates are open, man. So you guys start heading to the venue. See you guys soon. Peace.
Fantastic. And DJ Chi?